Unfortunately, in the land of Varada, we find every other day, we read in the newspaper, violence in the name of caste. I am surprised that this is happening, not only in the land of Varada, and where politics has been all the time around Samuga Niti. All this last more than 6 decades, we have been talking morning, evening, night about Samuga Niti. At the same time, the discrimination has continued. The violence against scheduled castes, our Dalits brothers and sisters, have increased. Caste-related violence continues. Why? How can it happen in the land of Allah? And then I wonder if our people, especially those who talk too much about Samuga Niti, if only they could follow Allah, there could be a devotee of Allah, things would have improved much, much better.